Hey, what's going on, guys? Mikey T here again, the producer of Jamaica Story, a documentary all about why Jamaicans and people who love Jamaica should be investing their time as well as their money into the country. Now, I'm sure if you're on this page, you have been to Jamaica or have plans on going to Jamaica. Book the ticket, get the experience of a lifetime. It's going to be like no other. I'm sure a lot of you will be looking to go to the beach, get some great food, and live a little bit of the party life. But let's talk about a part of Jamaica a lot of tourists miss out on, and that's the river. I'm sure some of you are thinking, hey, a body of water is a body of water. So what's the difference? River trips are totally different. First of all, rivers are far less commercialized. You can get into a lot of these rivers for free or a small donation to help with the cleanup. The river is just different. In real Jamaican culture, the river is a day event. It's a place for families to go play music, swim, eat, drink, and enjoy the day out. And don't forget your soap. It's fresh water, so before you leave, soap up, wash your hair, get everything done so when you get home, you can just go straight to bed. You'll feel so refreshed. I promise you, it's like no other. So if you want to change it up when you go to Jamaica, make sure you go to the river.